With proper care and maintenance, wood windows will last for hundreds of years. High-quality glazing putties from Sarco provide a durable, elastic cushion that will seal and hold glass for decades. When reglazing a wood window, begin with a sash that has been scraped clean of old putty and paint and remove the glass. Lightly sand the surfaces of the sash and the glazing rabbet to prepare the surface. Prior to glazing the window, the sash should be primed with an oil-based primer. This will prevent the oils in the putty from soaking into the wood and drying out. Prime the sash and the glazing rabbet and allow the primer to dry according to the primer's instructions. Sarco putties are oil-based. Before applying them, knead the putty by hand for several minutes in order to evenly distribute the oils. Lay a bed of glazing putty into the rabbet where the glass will sit. After leveling out the putty, you can place your glass and gently press it into place. Some of the putty will squeeze out onto the other side of the glass. Simply scrape that excess putty away. With the glass in place, secure it using glazing points. These small metal clips should be pressed into the wood every 8 to 12 inches. Now that the glass is set, gently press a line of Sarco putty into the glazing channel with a putty knife or by hand. Then come back and tool your line of putty just past the glazing points. Be careful to trim the profile of the putty so that you can't see it from the opposite side of the window. Once your putty is tooled, touch up any rough spots and work your corners into an angle so that water will shed off of the sash. Dusting the putty in the glass with commercial whitening powder will absorb excess oil from the glass and help the putty form a skin more quickly. Allow several days for the putty to develop a skin prior to painting. When applying the paint, be sure to paint onto the glass by about 1/16 of an inch in order to completely seal the putty. For more information on Sarco putties, call us at Abatron today.